Hello, our show is ready now. Let us go. Here is the bar. We have candy, cookie, coffee, and water here. You also can have coffee. Here is our newest catalog here. And now we will show some of our demo kit here. Mini spotlight, downlight, check light. And here is our demo kit. From here, you not only can see the product demo kit, you also can have a good sea view here. Here we also prepare some bread. Here is also our demo kit here. Almost all the demo kit we bring here is sold here. We won't welcome you come to have and enjoy the time with you.